Welcome back to another video. Is your child not listening and you feel like yelling is the only option? Stop. Because yelling doesn't make kids listen, it makes them shut down. In this video, I'll show you what to do instead. A simple method that actually works. If you want calm instead of chaos, subscribe now. Let's get started. Your child isn't listening. You've said it 100 times, and still nothing. You yell. It works for a second. And then, back to ignoring you. You think, why won't they just listen? Why is this so hard? I'm going to tell you the truth. The hard truth most parents don't want to hear. Yelling doesn't work. It never worked. It only stops behavior for a moment. What your child learns when you yell is fear. Fear looks like silence. Fear looks like blank eyes staring at you. Fear looks like them tuning you out until it's over. That's not listening. That's survival. And every time you raise your voice, every time you threaten, every time you repeat yourself, you're teaching them to ignore you. It's not that they're stubborn. It's not that they don't respect you. It's that they've learned yelling is noise, and noise doesn't need to be obeyed. Here's the real kicker. You think yelling is power, but power, real influence, it's lost in your anger. The louder you get, the less they hear. Now, I'm not saying let them run wild. I'm saying stop performing anger. Stop shouting like a broken alarm. The way to make a child listen is calm, connection, presence. When you slow down instead of speeding up, when you lower your voice instead of raising it, when you move closer instead of standing across the room shouting, something changes. They notice you, they feel you, they hear you. And that's how listening begins. You say, but what about when they refuse to obey? Here's the truth. Children rarely refuse out of spite. They refuse when they feel misunderstood, rushed, frustrated, or simply overwhelmed. And yelling only makes it worse. Think about the last time you raised your voice. Did they really listen? Or did you just get quiet compliance for a moment? A calm approach doesn't give instant control. It gives something more powerful: respect, trust, attention. When children feel safe, they process your words. They stop resisting. They start responding. Every time your child doesn't listen, pause, lower your voice, move closer, speak clearly. Because calm doesn't mean weak. Calm means control. Calm means connection. Calm makes them listen. And that is how lasting change happens. If this video helped you see the truth about yelling and listening, hit that subscribe button now.